Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this Fanttik E1 Max. This is the 3.7 volt mini screwdriver. It comes with 50 bits. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. Let's go. All right guys, so the first thing we're greeted with in the box looks to be our USB-C cable for charging this. It does come with what looks to be a starter manual. We'll take a look at that maybe a little bit later. But most of this is going to be very self-explanatory. So you have this little tape on here, guys. You can just pop this right off like so. There is another little area here that you want to remove the tape from. It's called the pressure area. So let's go ahead and just peel that off as well. Keep it if you like. Now, the way this screwdriver works, guys, let me adjust this camera a little bit so you guys can see this a little bit better. So you have this pressure section here that you can press down, and that's going to secure all of your bits and also your screwdriver. So all of those components are found here in the top, so you can press like that and everything will pop out. There's the USB input for charging, which is outstanding. Now this is very, very simple to operate. You're just going to slide it out like so, and now we have all of our bits. Now, like I said, there's 50 different bits in this system, which is just, woo-wee. I'm so excited, guys. I have no idea what I'm going to take apart first, but you guys can already imagine. Some of you guys know how my mind works. I am already thinking about things I can take apart just to test this out. Now, the outer housing is an aluminum alloy. Feels really nice in the hands, very rugged. That's nice. As we get here, taking a look at the housing, this is plastic, but it's magnetized. We have some other tools in here as well. We have like a little spatula. We also have a tweezers in here. Let's see if I can pop these out so I can show them to you guys. So we have a set of tweezers in here. We have this spatula. These magnets are very strong. Now, this is going to be used for like separating things like smartphones when you have to open up the cases. That's what these little spatulas are for. All right, and that just fits right back in like so. And then so does our tweezers. They just fit back in there, right? And then the piece that I took out magnetically is just going to pop right back in there as well. Now, you have these little this little zone right here, which is for magnetizing your bits. If they lose their magnetism, you can just place them inside of here and this will remagnetize your bits. So as I said, guys, you got 9 different categories, 50 bits in this guy. All right, so let's take a look at our screwdriver. We have low and high. So if we turn this to low, you guys can see. And when you press the button, the light turns on in either direction. The low torque on this guy is 0.2 nanometers and the high mode is 0.05 nanometers. So that's going to be more than enough to open most things that you're going to need to be able to use the screwdriver for. Let's take a look at something simple that we could take apart. So here's a little remote that I have here. So we're going to take a couple of screws out of this remote. Now the challenge will be finding the right bit for this. Now, most of the time you'll know which bit you need, but in my case, I have no clue. So I'm just going to look around here and see if I can figure out which is going to be the most practical bit. It looks like it could be this one. So let me check. So let's start with the larger one. It's just going to slot inside like so. And then I'm going to press this in. All right, guys, so pretty much in a nutshell, you have a variety of different types of bits that you can utilize. All you need to do is identify which type of bit that you need, including like these little claw-looking ones here. Some of these I've never seen before, but most of these you can find, you know, in your standard setup. Again, like I said before, if your bit loses magnetism, you can just put this inside like so, and it will magnetize. This is the magnet zone. I've seen people try to use this for screws, but that's not really what it's for. It's actually for remagnetizing your bit. And then, like I said, you just drop your bit in, and now you're going to be pretty much good to go. You have your low torque setting, and then we can switch over to our high setting. Yeah. So it really just depends on what it is you're going to be taking apart. I love the fact that it has this integrated light that comes in really handy, especially when you're looking inside of small components and trying to take the screws out and you can't see what's going on in there. Yeah, having that little light really comes in handy. All right, guys, so hopefully this video has been helpful to some of you guys out there that's been thinking about getting some type of electric screwdriver styled multi-bit device. I think this could be a great option for you because it is very travel friendly. You'll be able to easily, drop this in a camera bag or backpack or something like that, or a compartment inside of your vehicle. Just lock everything in and you're going to be pretty much good to go. So yeah, Rome is a big fan of this. I am excited, and hopefully I won't take my whole studio apart playing with this thing. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.